Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading. I got some cool stuff to show you today. Got my boys here, Bubba Snare and Mr. Remington Stewart, both chilling with me. Got a cup of coffee. Let's chill and hang out, talk some stocks. I'll show you some cool stuff. It's not too hot. Wish it was hotter. Take this shot right here. Finish up my last little game of golf on my phone. Ready? Let's take this. All right, how's everybody doing? Let's see who we got on YouTube. A couple people. What's going on? At least I won. There we go. Wins. Rare. That's the rough cutter. That's a rare iron. That's nice. Got the Desert Storm. Runner. I'm not in a ball, a Marlin. My streak is 1. Let's check out the Stockerinos. Oh, so the stock you see on my screen is Amadeus. It's very similar to Jivo, and it's in the energy sector. Let me show you some amazing research that I've done. Scoot on over to the Mojo room. Hey guys, I am live. I am live on YouTube. Roll back right here, show you some cool stuff. AMTX. It's being acquired by Vanguard Special Energy Fund. Oh yeah. I think right here. So these are these chart patterns. Got a little base out here, double bottom base. It's going up. Little cup, little handle, and it follows. See this? They're all the same pattern. These are all the winners lately. Airline. This is APVO, DTEA. Jivo's next to go here. This is the 60-minute base on Jivo. You can see it's very strong. Oh, we got a testimonial from yesterday. I started MOJO University around the 15th. I took about 2 weeks to go through all the videos. These were amazing courses. No bullshit here. There were lots of moments where I was banging my head saying, how did I know that? Did I not know this? One thing that's important is everyone needs to watch these videos repeatedly, as there's a lot of material to review. Also, I haven't done any trades yet as I was focused on the courses first. However, I did sign in some days into the chat and watched Mike and the rest of the pro traders trade. I do have to say some of the people that were active in the courses are still here trading today, which is amazing to see. The next step for me is to do paper demo trades, then moving on to do some small real-life trades, only Hines. Important to note, nothing is easy and I haven't earned any money yet, but I can see how the MOJO University has already changed how I think about to trade correctly. Nice one. And then I picked Hexo yesterday at 525. And this is Vanguard Energy, VDE. See the symbol? How the pattern is there. And it's up again today, 1.8%. So if you look at my main screen, VDE is Vanguard Energy ETF. See it? In the breakout move stage. So that fund, Vanguard Energy, is, and I looked at the mutual fund, it's right here. These are the Vanguard Emerging Markets Energy. Vanguard, this is who owns GEVO. They just purchased a 596% increase in shares owned, and BlackRock just recently purchased a 4,086% increase in GEVO, owning it right here, 151,000 shares. And then Renaissance Technology increased their position 254%, and they have 404,000 shares. See that? So if you go divided by this one right here, Vanguard, if you divide how much they own it right here at 270. Vanguard Group. This is $246,000 into 91,000 shares. This is $416,000 divided by 155,000 shares. They own it at 270. BlackRock. And Renaissance Technology owns $1.5 million worth, divided by 563,000 shares. They own it also at 270. They all are accumulating the shares here. That's a great find. This is BlackRock right here, making a move. BLK, BlackRock. They have a 4,086% increase in GEVO holdings. I researched this, and MRAS came up, which did a suck out from 265 to 340 in 2 days. AMTX is the next one, called Amadeus, right here. And these are some more of these chart patterns that are ones that are working. See, it's worked. It's worked. It's worked. What are these chart patterns that are working? Are these cup and handle explosions? See them? So we got to find ones that are similar to that. See, Valero, VD. These are the patterns that are moving and continually breaking out. So Amazon, right off stopping station yesterday, got it 1,627 and 6 points in a minute on that sucker yesterday. And then right here, these are the active positions, an increase of 9th in Bloom Energy, another energy stock. The top 10, these are the holders and the increases of the owners of the GEVO. Vanguard, BlackRock, and Renaissance with incredible buys going in. And this is from yesterday, this article right here that I found from yesterday, January 31st. Approximately 29% of the U.S. consumers for transportation consume energy for transportation, and 92% of U.S. transport is fueled by petroleum. And that's going to change due to the greenhouse effect. And it's going to change with biofuels, which is GEVO, Amadeus, and Amaris. And biofuels and emissions right here. A paper published in this and this. 30% right here, this and that. I mean, great article right there. And then United Airlines right here is getting into sustainable fuels for Eco Skies for Unitable. This is GEVO right here. It's their product right here. Same kind of company, Fulcrum Bioenergy. What they do is they take trash, corn, waste, all kinds of stuff. They process it. They turn it into bioenergy, clean fuel, and they deliver it to the airlines. 15 million United will purchase that many gallons of biofuel over a 3-year period. So these are the revenues that are going to go into GEVO because they've already built up stock last year to sell for the same kind of program, and expect 15 million gallons of fuel being, whatever you can produce, we'll freaking buy. No problem. And then you made history in March of 2016, starting it, and they have 65 jobs created for it, 60% reduction in greenhouse gas, and And here's the video. Check out this. I'm finding everything. There's Jivo, baby.
Makes today truly significant. Into our They did not have to do this. United Airlines making this guys a whole lot friendlier. I also want to really is no more appropriate. Renewable jet fuel emits an estimated less than 60% greenhouse gases from production to combustion. People in California.
Fuels are very important for being able to drive down aviation greenhouse gas emissions. Aviation, unlike some other modes of transport, don't really have the option. We're going to be using liquid fuels for the future, and so if we can make the sustainable liquid hydrocarbon performances, it's really a game changer.
2,000 commercial flights in the past years on a more or less a demonstration basis. This is taking the next step and making it real, making it part of a normal commercial operation. That's a major milestone for the industry.
For United Airlines, this is as a move toward.
So you got that, guys, right there. And they just did this the other day, which is right here. Jivo partners with Sustain in same airports out there. The first event of its kind, Jivo with an Av Fuel in Van Nuys Airport in California, Southern California. There's more than 210,000 aircraft in general business alone, with 650 Av Fuel branded locations and 3,000 plus fueling locations. Their partnership with Av Fuel has allowed them to begin effectively support the market. The CEO of Jivo and Av Fuel Corporation is huge. They're going to deliver it to 231,000 aircraft. Van Nuys, General Aviation, all the Phillips 66, all these. That's a beautiful announcement right there. And I think they have so here's the right here. Jivo, a biofuel demonstration right here. Av Fuel, here it is, the right there. Working with the San Francisco Airport Consortium, here it is. Jivo worked with the San Francisco Airport Consortium right here. 500 million gallons per year. Dude, shit can be the freaking rocket, man. So we got that shit going on with what I found out in the room right there. More research. Got that video.
United Airlines is a very good position to be a good corporate on voluntarily embracing
The future.
Create local jobs.
The EPA thing, they just did something with the EPA. We traded you guys this morning. I'll show you what we traded this morning. You guys 35.50, enter right there, 35.50, made a spike, sold into 36. Then NBEV and ACB are at the same price. Look at that, 7.14 and 7.13. It's the same up at the 60s. Look, Affadog high 905 went to 950. Here's 35.12 on you guys. Bought that, went right up higher, huge. Went up 50 cents after that. See, no one would buy that. It's a huge signal on the ask. If you watch my previous videos, learning level 2, that's a bullish signal. It's back at 35.18. Buy some right now, guys. Trade live. You guys, 35, 16, 17, and 18. Buy a position here. If it goes lower to 35.07 by 2, we buy number 2. Under 35, number 3. Otherwise, you add into the 20s, number 2, and over 25, number 3. Yeah, we're going to kick the market's ass. We traded NEO today through $8. It went right to $8.14. NEO from $7.95 to $8.14. Here's Affadog at $9.32 now from $9. Nuts is right. Here's dry ships. We're going to buy dry ships today at 5.03 and 5.04 to make a move on dry ships, which has now been to 5.14 today. The shippers are going to come off the bottom in a big way. Here's dry ships at 5.04 by 5.06. And these are the shares short available. It's just going through some positions right there. And this is one of my traders from Vietnam, Renteria. He's on vacation there. He made total gain of 44,000. On today's gain is 27.50. He's got the CGC at like 30, and he owns he owns a bunch of good stocks. Affadog's 960, just ripped. Look what Affadog just did. New high 960 on APH. Then we did ADIL, traded that one. TMSR, here's the big trade at $5 on TMSR. So if you got TMSR, it went from 5 to 10. So look, the high is 947. And I just showed you right there, we nailed that sucker right there at $5. 492, $5. Right there. That's where we're getting that TMSR, and we got the news on it. Then we're going to nail some dry ships right here because it's got a multi-quad bottom, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bottom on dry ships. So I knew it was going to be good. And we nailed that one. It's still going higher, and I like it. Still long dry ships. Then NBEV, remember it was the same price before. Look, it's the same price again. The same price again. There's a computer moving them together. Same price again. It's funny. And right now it's 728 on one and 740 on the other. There's a little disparity. Oy vey. Here's TMSR at 9. And then we like top ships to go along with dry ships. Top ships at 94, 95, 96. You guys, we made a beautiful trade. And you guys right there to 36.15. Added you guys at 35.07, 100 shares just now. And that's went into that. So Amadeus, AM, the Amadeus stock, I'll show it to you. Let me show you what they do. I have to actually go back. AEM. CIS. Do a search in the room. Here it is. So let me show you Amadeus right here. Amadeus, AMTX, is an advanced renewable fuels and biochemical company focused in the production of advanced fuels and chemicals. Through the acquisition, they do exactly what Gevo does. Through their facilities making ethanol and renewable jet diesel and biodiesel right there. They're expecting a huge jump in that in the future. And this is the RFS mandate, existing U.S. corn ethanol production capacity. Beautiful. Adam is strategy to accelerate right here, approximately $1.60 a gallon. This gallon, they already know what they're going to be making, so you can do 50 million gallons times $1.60 a gallon, $50 million. They're doing 7 million now. They're going to grow to 30 million in revenues. Amadeus right here, they do the same exact thing that the Gevo does. Both of them got them both. Amadeus right here, 170 million in revenues in 2018 on 110 million gallons of biofuel. There's the money, boys, at $1.70, $1.60 a gallon. There's the board, and this is the U.S. federal renewable mandate of biofuels, renewable, how it's going to be growing, and everything's turning green. And the EPA, Gevo made a move with the EPA up to $4 and change. Okay. Main screen, Gevo, daily, right here on January 18th, Gevo traded 14 million shares, and it's high of 425. So like, that's a nice one. And Colorado and Texas are close. And this is Amadeus, AMTX, right here. $1 by $4. Facebook's up 21 points. Right there. And I did some more ethanol stuff. Earnings and ethanol and institutional buying. We traded GE. 936 on GE. Here, I bought GE at 921. It went to 1070. I bought it at 6:30 in the morning that day. And that's it on that. So I did a lot of good research reports. And that's it. Show you some charts I have at my disposal. This is ONTX. See the move it made? Look. See the move this thing made right there? ONTX. Same pattern, little cupper. Look, get my pen going. Look, little cup, boom, that way. Look, cup, boom, that way. This one also, same thing. This one also, same thing. This one also, same thing. And they were all different companies. Here's same exactly. Here's a whole bunch more. This is all from like yesterday. This is Glibba. This is the chart pattern that's in play right now. See it? Same thing. This is APVO, David's T, and Gevo. And then you have the next one. These are two bottom bouncers that should be coming up. DPW and Mara, which are blockchain companies, with GBTC, expecting a move in those. FYI for you guys. This is Heat Biologics and XOM, same pattern. You got the cup and handle with the explosion up higher on both of these. I saved all these for the show for you guys. Here's the next one. These are the Vanguard ones and Valero Energy. Same thing. Look at the U and the explosion. The cup and handle U, it's going up. The cup and handle, it already went up. Pretty cool, right? Here's the next. This is CMFS, this is today. Those are all yesterday. This is today. Same pattern. Why is this one working today? DGII, same thing right here. Same pattern. Same pattern. On this one, look, it's the same on every. This is the pattern that's in play. So if you can find ones with this pattern, you're going to get rewarded. See that? all different stocks. And that's how that works. Do I have any more of them? Nope. That was my research that I saved. Back to the main screen. We got Amadeus there. Alright, what else is on there? Let's go from the top down. We got a you guys is 35.11 now. That was a good buy at 35.07 and change right here. We're going to catch the rise up live on the Mojo show now with just a couple hundred shares. Got a nice rise happening in that one right now. What else we got going on? D guys will go under 98, which it is, and send that one higher. DWT is probably sexy right here at 893. Probably real sexy. Remember last time I did the Mojo show, one of the stocks came out with news and popped. I was like, holy shit, that's nice. That would happen now. That would be nice. Dog's 970. It's breaking out. It won't stop. I can't believe it. Look at it on the 60-minute chart. So strong. From 760 to 960 without stopping. So you could have picked it up right here and rode it up into rail grind right there without stopping. They love this fucking stock. It's out of control. On the 60-minute. You could have bought it right here through Heinz 8. Heinz 8 through 9, and now it's going to 10. All in rail grind on the 60-minute. Look at that. It's crazy. 973. ACB is 41. Another one, Aurora Cannabis. These stocks were the death, dude. They wouldn't even look at 3 weeks ago, a month ago. Crone, we owned it at 10. It's 21.33. They wouldn't buy it and put it up a nickel. This shit hasn't stopped since then. We owned it at 10 right here. We sold it right there on that bar. Because after we bought it here, it kind of dipped here at 950. The next day it did shit. At 10, nothing here at 10, nothing here at 10 with a 50-cent range, nothing here the next day with the fucking shit. So we're like, we're fucking out of it right here. Boom. And then look what happens. Bam. The shit just don't stop. Now it's got a range of $2, a range of $3, and the shit just doesn't stop. It's like unbelievable, man. Look at that Affidog. Look at that. 973. Gotta do some journaling right here. Nothing. Nothing going on. My boys down there. When's that Bitcoin coming back, huh? Now's probably the time. BTNP got destroyed today. Look at that shit, was up early this morning at 250. It's a destroyed if you had that. GMRE, Global Medical REIT volume. Home, HOME, that's a good symbol. 22 at home group. Nothing's moving. Been this way for a little while. The MSR was the killer diller this morning, but it was really volatile. DGII $13, CWLT, Eurotech Holding. What else? Freaking INFN. Nice one. Look at the spike this one made from 440 to 5 back down here. Let's look at the daily. Does it have the same chart pattern? Yep. Same freaking chart pattern, boys. Look, you got your freaking U off the base bottom. Every one of these is going to be the same. Watch. I'll go through them. Every gainer today. Look, U, base handle, explosion. Watch. Let's go. The second one, IMTE. Same thing. Show you here, IMTE. You know, it came from here. It did its boom, did its bing, and that is bada boom. Let's do the next one. Tuesday. Same exact thing. Fourth one down. You have a little cup and handle, and then an explosion. And it already tested it there once, came down and redid it again. Go to the fourth one. Same exact thing. DGII. Look. Same pattern. Boom. Boom. And it did another little cup in here and did it, and a little double cup banger. And it came from there. Next one. PFPT. Same exact pattern. You got boom, 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 and then it also carried it higher, and it came from there. Next one down, BLFS, same exact pattern. Telling you something there, huh? This is CLWT. You got a boom here, a little one here again, and then a takeoff, and this little red suck off day, and you shouldn't have sold there. Next one is ZYNE, same exact pattern. This is the pattern you got to find. Volume comes in, you got your little cup and handle, came from all the way up here, all the risk is out of it, cup again, and then a beautiful increase. Next one is INFN, same exact pattern. Amazing, isn't it? So if you find ones that have this pattern, step up to the plate, there's your next one, and then a boom. And it came from way up there. Next one is SYMC. Pattern. A little more volatile though. Came from up here. You got your little thing there. You have another little one here. Boom, boom, right there. Next one is. I already did that one. That was TBLT. This is AXSM. Ooh, that did it big here. Look at this little downturn cup and explosion. And then it went higher, and then higher again. Addle. USAT, same pattern. All the risk is out of these stocks because they've based for so long. And and they've come from higher. So they've cleaned up business, did your little cup, double cup, and on the upside. 34.70, grab some you guys. Told you it was going to come here. ADRO, the next one on the list, same pattern. Little cup and handle, little cup and boom, and then an explosion. All the risks out of it right here. Came from freaking up there. LPLA, second to last one. Kind of the cup and the hand took off, but not really. It's on the bottom of the list. That's it really, guys. Went through the whole entire list. It's pretty much the pattern in play right now. So if you find ones with that pattern, like plug, these are the little energy ones that are the next ones to go. Look. A little cup and handle. It made its another little cup. And then boom, it's going to go 60, 70, 80, 90 up into $2. From up there, you got Ballad Power. Already starting it. Same pattern. Same kind of companies. Look, came from freaking up there. They cleaned up, cup and handle. Boom, explode. Now this one's going to go up again and go test $4. Fuel cell. This one's ready to explode. I have them on my screen. So you have your little cup and a little base break. This thing's going to go up to 70 cents. Came from freaking up there. Cleaned up all the shit. AMTX. Thing. And it did a nice little spiky here. Came from up there. There's your little boom. Did it here. Now it's going to do it again right here. It's going to go up to 140, 150. Like IFMK did. This was 2 weeks ago. See? IFMK. This is the one we played 2 weeks ago. Same exact thing. We did it here. Did its little cup and handle. And I sold it up into this, into 160. It made an explosion. Now it's come down. It's going to go up again. Well, the next one. AMRS. It did the same thing. Look. AMRS. Like dry ships right there. You have your little cup and now it's going to go up. There's dry ships. 507, see? Dry ships off this bottom right here. See that little white line? That's support right there. It's going to go right up. Pretty much it. FPT. What is that? No, that's not a symbol. I don't know, when they come out with press, that's when stocks move, is when they come out with press earnings. You guys is getting destroyed. Pretty much it. And that crone's so strong. So strong. Eagle. EGLE. Bulk shipping's moving. Dry ship's gonna follow again. Look. EGLE. Eagle bulk shipping. Just made a spike coming up. See that little suck out? They do a suck out. Right there. At 401. And then it goes up. So every day you gotta look for that suck out. After the suck out, they start to go. AFA had a suck out right there, turned green from 890 and ran. CGC had it suck out right here at 48.60 and ran to 50, like today. Every one of them have them. TTNP That's the wrong stock because it's going the other direction. Adel did a little suck out here at 509, and it's 6:30. Oh, Jivo did one earlier. Look at the spike down. It traded 900 shares or something like that. 593 shares to 248 this morning in the pre-market. Look, it's 258 by 6. I'm screaming buy here, dudes. Only traded 61,000. Wait till news comes out or this or anything. Shit's gonna fucking be out of control. Econ, TCON, 90 cents. Transcon Pharmaceutical, making a little move here on the 5-minute. Nothing else is moving. Yeah, you guys, damn, 34 fucking 56, but now it's back to 70, 80, killer. Shit's volatile. Watch that shit rock. Don't worry about it. It's gonna pop again. Told you, 34.80. Gonna fly through 35. Gas is doing natural gas tracker technology. Look at the 1 minute on NNG. Probably why it's down here, because it took a little dip. You go to the CME natural gas at 277 stopping station on the 1 minute. See, this is why it took a dip. Look. See? Just came from here all the way down to here. Now it's going to stop and go back up. Firming up right here with some buys. Definitely going back over 35. Looks pretty hot. Not definitely, but there's a good risk reward. See that? From 280, boom, right down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Just like stocks. Up and down, up and down, up and down. That's it, boys. That's what we do. So everyone have a good day trading. Do what you want with you guys. Hold that shit because the world's cold. That's it, boys. The Mojo Show. Showed you a lot of charts today, a lot of patterns that are in play right now. Peace. Keep it profitable. Pro Trader Mike, you have any questions, you can email me at info@mojodaytrading.com. Ooh, Affadog, new high, 975. Affadog. Woo, woo, woo. Affadog. Ended on that. Peace, guys. Thanks.